Hello, friends. Want to create something beautiful with just paper? It's quick, easy, and makes a perfect handmade gift. So grab your materials and let's add a little creativity to your day. I'm starting with an A4 sheet, cutting it into 26 small squares. Each 5 centimeters. Then I'm shaping them by trimming one side into a soft curve. Cut them slowly and neat. One by one, this will give our petals a natural look. Now, let's bring this rose to life. Take an empty cup and cut a hole in its base. Now begin layering the petals onto an empty paper cup. The first round, no glue, just tucking them in place. For the next layers, a tiny bit of fevicol on the edges helps secure them beautifully. Start pasting the petals as I am doing. Repeat this step for all petals. And here it is, our delicate paper rose. To make it even more special, I'm crafting a simple brown paper cone for presentation. A perfect little handmade gift for any occasion. So hope you liked it. Creativity has no limits. Try this easy DIY and spread a little handmade joy. Share and let me know your thoughts in the comments.